Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in today's video, I thought I would do an updated traveler's notebook collection. I posted a photo on Instagram kind of going through my TN inventory, and I wasn't actually quite sure what all I had, so I decided to go through it and just kind of, see what I had and what I'm using, what I may keep, what I may sell. I'm not quite sure yet. So I thought it would be kind of fun to do a video about this because I have had questions about my TNs. And so I thought I would show you what I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my traveler's notebooks, but I'm not going to like flip through them or do, show you my setups or that type of thing, because I think I have actually shown pretty much everything in prior videos. And if I haven't, feel free to post a comment down below, and then I will make sure to put that on my future videos list. Now I want to say it is a very gloomy, overcast day, so I don't have the best natural lighting. So what I'm doing is I'm using the natural light that I do get from a very nice window, but then I'm also using my dining room overhead light. So I'm hoping that everything is okay. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. These are my Mystics Little Gifts A5 Traveler's Notebook. If you saw the video I put up just before this one, you saw the setups of these. So I'm not going to go into these at all. But I just wanted to kind of start my way with my largest notebooks and then work my way down. Okay, so that's these two. Next, let's do, this would be like a wide, I think that's the only one of these I have. Yeah, or a size 7 Foxy Fix. This is in the highlighter pink. I've had this for years. I go back and forth on whether or not I'm going to sell it, but I love the color, and she doesn't make this anymore, so I just can't bear to get rid of it. But I only have one in this size. So this is a, like I said, Foxy Fix number 7, or like the Chic Sparrow wide, or like a Kaye or Kaye Moleskine size. Let's go into size number 6s, or the standard. I have quite a few of those, and I think you guys have seen most of them. These two are empty. This is a Keelan Dory Imperfectly Perfect standard size. I've never used this. I've set it up a couple times, but for whatever reason, I've never used it, and I can't bear to sell it. I've got a Foxy Fix Everly in a size 6 wide, and I tried to sell this and then I couldn't. So that's that one, size 6 standard. Another Foxy Fix in the highlighter pink. I've got 2 of these. Bought these years ago. I want to say at least 2 years ago now. Again, I love the color, and I used to use a standard size exclusively, so I definitely bought this, and again, just can't bear to get rid of it. Then I have my original Midori in the blue. Love this one, will never get rid of it. And I was using this for Bible journaling, spiritual notes, that type of thing. But now I'm not really using it, and I probably should. But anyway, that's that one. Then I have my, this is another Foxy Fix. This is the original Rowena. I bought this secondhand, and this is, again, size 6 standard. I changed out the elastics. I switched it to red, and I just love this leather. So I don't think I will ever sell this one. I'm not using this right now. I may at some point, but I do have it set up so it was an everyday carry at one point, but now it's just hanging out. Okay, so that is all of my standard size traveler's notebooks. Okay, let's get into my favorite size, the B6. And surprisingly, I only have 4 of these. This one is a boho dory. I tried to sell this one and nobody was interested, so I just unlisted it. I'm not using it. It was an everyday carry at one point. It's really, really pretty. I changed out the elastics, obviously, but the leather is a little thin for my liking. So I don't know if I'll ever use it again or if I'll put it up for sale again. Then I've got the Foxy Fix Santa Fe. This was my everyday carry also at one point. I kind of took it apart because I moved some of the stuff into my Naya Papery, Naya Dory. And that's my everyday carry right now. This, as much as I like how chunky it is, it was getting very, very heavy. But I do like this leather. I'm not sure if I'll move back into this at some point, but I really like it, so I'm not going to sell that one. Everyday carry right now, my Naya Papery, Naya Dory. And I really simplified this setup. Not a whole lot of frills in here. I like the leather because it's really durable. I could throw this in my bag and I don't worry about it getting scratched up or marked up. And last but definitely not least, this is my Chic Sparrow Mr. Darcy in Titanic. I love, love this notebook. And it hasn't gotten too scratched up, although it does, you know, show its fair share of scratches. I use this for my at-home journal. I don't take it with me. And you know what's funny is the color has gotten darker since I first bought it. It was much more of a, I don't want to say brighter, but it was much more on the blue side. Now it's starting to kind of turn to where it almost looks green, but obviously it's not green. You can still see hints of aqua, but it has gotten darker over time, but I still love it. Okay, so that is my B6. And finally, I only have 2 more. These are my size 1 Foxy Fix. This one I got in a mystery sale. I don't remember what this leather is called. It's very beautiful. Haven't used it. Don't know what I'm going to do with it, if I'm going to keep it. And then this is my Foxy Fix #1 in licorice that I use as a wallet. And I do love this, but I'm kind of missing a regular wallet, you know, where I don't have to fold my money, where I actually have a change compartment. But I've been using this at least a year now, and it still looks really good. So that is it. That is my Traveler's Notebook collection. I hope you guys found this interesting. And when I counted all of my notebooks, I have 12 of them, which may seem like a lot, but honestly, you guys, I've had more. So this is pretty good. Now, that's not to say I probably won't buy more, of course, and sell some, but I'm kind of happy with where things are right now as far as my collection goes. So if you guys have any questions, comments, observations, feel free to put those down in the comments below. Again, if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so. I've got a lot more videos to come, and I think that's it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll definitely see you in the next video. Bye.